share mamu nyina mu adwo Sompa TV suni ebe na so senmenu nsia kasebo a yabobbo no free fidium hano yede nyina da ebesomo na ensami free hano ebetwa no ho na afa Sompa kumase 93.1 FM eno achi no Sompa sunwane 98.9 and Sompa nkranza 90.7 eno achi no information centers bebro beso hano aduasan num wormo so afa kasebo ya to apete Ghana de hye no ATB nemom hye so sansam no nyina da mu live ewo Facebook or eya Sompa 93.1 and watching YouTube no eya Sompa TV eya marefi sa open semi bi no wakenkan ya eya www.sompaonline.com okwa nsam no nyina da yakruche de go ya obekenkan bi e de free na enensam do ya de ba ne edi makote no bi enie so omantam mpanyefo ya pomde mu nsam da won maba mu de atodwa a kyerse akosombo da mo no mpanyefo bi eni nyame anim ni ya hwe ya ede yade pinua ene beba
and am so man this amanyoko no so de atodwa se mampeni na nado danko akufado mpeno to mpeno no a ene ne kine ya on fa che opakese enko ema dehia e wo flamantem
ora Canada wo hene Japan na chetafo bi ya won mo awutu senya east aboto mpeso so akasa ya won mo kyerse bia ya November 4th NPP amanyoko no kwato aba no kwhye mark eda ho
ene wa ya amamre ne amane a nipa bebura pem waje won matum sa lawyer foforo kra ewo omayimo
National Security Minister won so kasa kyerse na dia ba fontenta fidie so ana aban to go nsem Ghana fo ye boje so
and am so my University Teachers Association of Ghana mpenimfo womo akasa dia fo ho se and someone National Security Minister ekeka no womo ene ne yadwene a enyeye
ye kwa ebreto ya se ya bo ho ban na so abusua ko sunwane mansiri mu an yatote kyerse ne pabirim na nkwati kwa so a won mu bu nua pa na Forestry Commission won makasa fa ho
Sompa FM nsantwe 4 pence bedu kataro ranti abusua fo edem be ko se hwe so ne mpotam yate se abamu abi akwa akoto abrewa bi mu na ne ba ne senie ye be koni akwa akodi nkomo
ensambi ka wena mo ne ne nyina da ba so mo sen reno siaka sebo awo Sompa TV so sanon so senuma ko bi adaroma na won maso sene Express Group ye de wo tu fa akwa brochimemu ano che no 21st clinic ni da sciatica expert mizo 5G drink and enu mewunya bia ebebo wo ye papa na 3 herbal center what the 3 core capsules koko masete dro no ede aba na hye no se Universal Natural Clinic wo mo so eka ho bio waposo ye oja ne ye behwe na ye toase I care herbal clinic nie wo mo de paroni balm enso ede aba dwama so a wonya bia sesiade ene yade ankan ne nyina da ebedwane ana sonfo ne ye mienu pe bedin ene akosuya ajewa kwade boaten menemenia
nana ya obo amalibi aboga
afeje bre ne nsem no yenchichi mu
abza for ya shase de free akosombo abonten so ne flamantem mama no tu arehosem a esie wo flamantem wa bra akosombo sutade no empenfo kyese eya ye mabuso eno ntinsuo no mabie se enkose beye na akosombo dam no enkobungumu na enkofo ye ne kese mfamre o maye enam so mase ne mo kase enkonkro bebro eye dunso ekako nwotwe na se ne mo kase odwane ekere flamantem a nsuo no age aboso nsuo na kentenso nsuo no amene sam krokro ni nyina ama de sie pinu a akwakoda ne eyetu kotenafo a ba bia omudi omuti beto eno so akwakọ ebibibi and am so na NDC amanyoko no ene NDC mra so jafo no nyina do mani kire eye flamantem ene adehye ho no mokodi nkomo ekocheche wo mo rekomo mo yakọ ema mo hyeden and am so ma edom kumani kandifo Dr. Kessel atofosen ede atugya se sa asem na esi ya mampani na nado danko akufado rawosem wasie na adehye wo mani atutu aka wonum nsam a o madua ne o mo bedie ba bia o mo beda kyese bibia ba wonum no na mampani o ba no aba be kasem de akire wonum a o ka kire o mo so o mo kra de efri yampontembre so mo nto aba enfama MPP amanyuku ne da na ba wo ba ye no enya abato nti na aba ye ne mum eyese oman no ye de hye wonsa so ya no so to abama wo so wanto abama wo wa ba be ye eja o da o mo nyina no nti wo mi so o man to aba amfa ama wo de na so ba na wa be pem wo de ama wonum eno na NDC mra spegafo no echese mampani na nado danko akufado saa de na oye ye no so mpere to mpene no a ene ne kine ya wonfa echawpa mu odene enkoma adehia egu flamantem no mutitiro ene miamia bi te se eye North Tonga Baton Pesua so Central Tonga Baton Pesua so ene South Tonga Baton Pesua so a enkama gisem pesu abemi ensen omo de ekro ni nyina eho no nyina no nsu age ede akenten so honorable Dr. Kesel atoba force nensemo a wode atudwa kakrani
disappointed in the Volta River Authority. We believe that their conduct has not been good enough. They have not engaged the communities, and we in the NDC, particularly in Parliament, will investigate this matter. We urge the Energy Committee from our side to start the processes of instituting a probe into this matter immediately. SNADMO is said that if you don't give them the resources, they can't work. So the president and the minister responsible for finance and the ministers responsible for our security, national security, defense and interior, they have also not done enough. So we want to use this medium to call on them to do what is required, ensure that these 11 communities are catered for immediately. The situation we are seeing here, I'm sad that the government is downplaying it. It is a major man-made disaster, first of its kind in the history of this republic. I'm worried that some of our colleagues, some of Ghanaian citizens in these affected areas don't have a place to stay. We have Sagleme sitting idle. We have Sagleme sitting idle. The government must ensure that they house the people of these 11 affected communities, constituencies, properly. We are suggesting that as a matter of urgency, they can relocate them temporarily to Sagleme housing project. As a matter of urgency, they should relocate them to Sagleme housing immediately, because we believe that this will help those who are homeless to have a place to go, particularly those who are ready and willing to move to another place whilst they ensure that the place has been kept properly.
Abusian for Yamra Swedjani or Wamra Swedja Fiema this year word Jumako and Yenisium Abaton Persia so no cronoa and a sasso ededom kumana no our Swedja Fiemonable Doctor Atoba Forsen and Yetenin Cano. Na and watch and national chairman Edema and this Amanyukuni Johnson is here doing Ketia as so Edibi so say Ohania Bana a Yanua Bibia di one dance here say Adisia all for Mantum no Womua Wama Ababedins and Semewa Kosumbo Dam and send semi hono Juniana on you womo send call Juru Womoa and can you say as a omo comanim as omo bomachi omo bomanim bakwa no ma pimpino machi bemiensa or see a some no a year canesano a yare hosamoa a man for new duane and that you say abagusano na osra this year so monkoma come and tom yam and more be a safata and this yaman you couldn't be so kutomo na omo abwa wunum.
We are here this morning to commiserate with the people of the Volta and Eastern regions for the calamitous flood that has affected some constituencies in this region. We are not here to take over the responsibilities of the government of the Republic of Ghana. This is not the first time the dam is being opened for water to spill. We must ask, how come that in all the previous years that we have had cause to spill water, the effect has not been this devastating? There are questions that we should ask, but I will not say that we should stop the relief activity and be pursuing the causes. Let us chase away the cat. At the appropriate time, we will have to tame the mouse.
Abusuafo nti wey aye chairman general edema ehejo bojo eyezu eyeza idebi keke NDC amanyuku no Yera Johnson esedun ketia enene one party ne manyina ekosia ye Flamantem no eye womu a omani etutu aka wonum nsem wa kosombo sutade no a nsuo ye bie na twiafo omdem atwiafo omfie apepo omdan so aka bidan gufom na omokoye kotichi omren
Yagusu agina sansam no amu na pomde adwumako ye wo Flamantemu wo so ade abaya wo kyerese ensuo ye won mu bie nansentam awa akosombo da manam so ma Flamantemu eyira fa ni padodo no wa ne oma no yade e adwene na ene kura mpo no de won mu atwe wo madwene pii no asiso ayasa ensuo no ta honom no entimi ntwenko enti ada ne sutade prekope ene ta ho enam so nti won mo ka de akyerese sene no oba na pani na won afa hwe kwan a ensuo no befa so na atwetwede afiri won mo yade a ebetumi de nyarewa pii no abapa wasi ne nipa dodo no agya na ya won mo kɔ won mo kɔ ye ezisi montenso no ayade a ebetumi ede wo haw amane ne yare wanketo pii no atumi aba na Dr. Stephen Mina Ala wono aye medical officer edema Ghana Medical Association won mo aye dokotafo ya sebrede won mayi won mo wasi won mo se won be screen na hodo na wo de aboasa ne beye na apomden wonsam so betumi akoyie e won potam ho Dr. Kasai echechensem mo.
So we, as part of from the Ghana Association, the MP area and the regional directorate, we heard about the devastating situation. So the GMA volunteered, and then members came together with the support to the local. Now our main aim here is to screen the patients, because looking at the flood, it comes with other medical diseases, so cholera and then skin infestations. So we are here to screen the people who identify suspected cases of cholera, screen the people for suspected malaria, and then treat those that have proven malaria cases. And then if we are able to suspect a few cases of cholera, then we will declare whether we have an epidemic or anything, and then we'll be able to refer those that have severe diarrhea conditions to the hospital. So basically, this is what we are doing here.
And what you know, South on my Shebajani, when you're for Kwabana Mensa, Wayomi, one also Kasai.
Well, we are in the process of putting a movement together for this. I mean, it's going to be very massive. I can tell you, people are signing on to this whole idea, so that we can get the president's attention to really get him to approve this process. I mean, because that is the only possible, and a more quicker way to get people regain some strength and get them normalizing their lives again. What we have here currently at the moment, you've just said it. You cannot be a squatter in somebody's room where there's nothing. I mean, you've left your comfort zone. I mean, you virtually have nothing. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. How are you going to even assist your kids to school? But of those normal routine work, mummies and daddies and parents and even kids would want to do, all taken away. That beauty of freedom to do your thing. So we really have to do something quickly about this, because people have to go back in a way, get resettled, and then begin to think about how to, and then probably go on to some other businesses or something. Because
I was only attending Kaya South on my Shebajani when you're for Kwabana Mensa, Wayomi.
I was on for young to a Cassiano Sumabona, young from free Akosombo Dam, no, and send Semihona, young from and consent fufrum, and General Legal Council, a year a mamrenia mania, and name ranting about what Binoa, or a Macaco Gentitie, a war a year Ghana Law School, na or more a babontin, a baby, you must say, a year a lawyer for Nene, or more a year Quanquia sum a de Emma Wumwa, and a Ghana Bar Association penning for, or more enya, a kuma for Frokra. pa na omoba be share adwuma se yentete se nipa bebra pem na ene womo eja womo kwan na yenkwa oma no so na yene lawyer Xavier Kuji nkodi nkomo Ghana Bar Association Ghana lawyer fo nyina womo ekubatan no wono ene ye penimpa okasa ede ema wunum ene womo enya new members yi yebisa se so mo share adwuma na se foforo a ya na challenges no eti sei pa na sei na association no eye ede gu akwam se womo ede beboa omo new members ya womo ebaku num no lawyer oti yenka wie yema wo adwo
bacho mi tiso
mejima di se nwumre wo ho ye
bacho mi hu ye nyame edom
yeda erade ase ene monya new members omaba be join eye bar association no na yebusa se koba se o join ekuo ne sa se ne ma graduate na me bakuo no mo na me basa profession mu challenges no eya na ebi ne sei bobo kakra so e de eche lawyer.
Well, me da say challenges no dey but me say na obia ade bia wo be see asefo for bia no challenges wo every beginning is difficult. Now my advice is that they shouldn't get discouraged. And when here or law practice mo say be hard working. It's kind of there ebeba at the right time. Depending the they shouldn't rush. They should obey instructions in chambers. So the far mom say, oh, senior safer court na yesia. Among modena among every files no answer na mo alcohol because the judges no be started bisa questions and other lawyer no argument. I want to mean for senior na on courtroom bon. And the Kasem says you know bed in kakra na nso kakra no mo manage. And thing here ni say apart from hard work no just say omunshia management there and here pa because it will be more $1 million and nekra na one usually year kira so amafo ho na amusi papa na amama no $1 million da obi engidi
na lawyer man for ke kasa ai mo dwuma ne de mu ode pa e bi se oba mu nche bia na je se wanya sika sa na tie se oba lawyer dwuma ne mu a abroso 1-2 years na wa be sika ne yampa
enyampa. It's just like any other profession. I have always said God is the God of order. Making sure say we are hard working, we hear good management. Yamimbe shirao. Now, because we lost within 2 years, now you see, you know. And idea, and yasema, mimeka say, yampa. Secondly, no, one more business, yano, misromo, coach abu oba, ubia peka kisi. Now, you see, we are seeing, until you find seeing and a yama bibri. Se menu suse obetwin benz obetwin ben. Enye se first year, we see na atwin benz wo so upebi achi. Skaro de bi ba na nso se na o manage no no na ehia enu na ehia
na lawyer manfo busa se adwuma na bi oho no mu a sa new lawyers ya wo mo bai o mo benya ya na adwuma na bi oho adwuma
oho bebre adwuma no de oho enti se o mo pedwuma ye nko ande mbenyi bia adwuma no bi oho na nso me advice say concentration work Kumasi Accra Takoradi too much economic wise. And until lawyers also person omo cost our regions no. And this government better ma boa I open up the rest of the regions Oba say lawyer be because they are going to law school easy. Okwa continue school via KTC. Now continue baby a wonye juma bia obe ya chiaka. Ansa na okay o mama ne o papa. And the only the economic decision, Juma no or Nanso concentration or certain areas or certain regions because of the economy there. And let's expand the economy to other regions. And the lawyers will go there and work.
Okay. Now, lawyer, anopai so na yete se mo senior member bako lawyer Antonia Kutoampao yete se na ne hododo no kakra na anopai we free mu. Matia na matia eri asem na mo ka association no mo ka ediafa owura no na dwuma obeye ewo lawyer dwuma ne mu.
Well na officially no family no nyan choma ye nanso yet because is he was a member of the Greater Accra Regional Bar. So, time I meet here, my friend, regional secretary, no, Ghana Bar Association Secretary, Greater Accra, or confirm me, actually, and Obi so asenya gu before nso na me hu ye oya nipa mrejuma no oya idea. He was a very good lawyer. We are younger, very young people. We came to meet them. We started hearing their names whilst we were in secondary school. And see, at the right time, no, you will acknowledge and give him, appreciate him for all he's done, his contribution to the bar. I believe his moot court that day will be a special one.
Lawyer, any miana wase na ya munuanamo nkuma ya o maba foforo yi ewom se yese politicians ne ne doso na no ebasa modwuma na enhadwene politicians yi ba bewurawura mu bebrebe ya hu se foreign affairs minister Shelley Ayokoboche enne ya gina tum obeye adwuma ne bi ya hu Samia Uku so ono so eba beye adwuma ne bi ya hu Ashanti regional director of communications edema NDC Amanyoko Abbas Nuruddin ono so ya gina tum eye Amansie South DC Clement Opoku Jemfi Ronald Sarmani se CID ono so politicians yi ba mu bebrebe adwuma no omo mese ne mamoana lawyer ebeboamo.
There be any problem there because Emiranu there is only one thing: hard work and knowledge of the law. The fact that we're a politician, and yet it is not a conclusion that, or it's not conclusive that you know your law. So be the $1 million brief now. Now I be saying no next time on Uzbeka as a lawyer and your lawyer papedia. And see, I really any threat there, and I can say emu dia because mu ye politicians no e bia mu pe legal knowledge na mu ye mu ade amu betima ye ni.
Lawyer me na wase anwumre bibia ni so ebesa ba wonche bi eda se pa.
Yo mi so mi da se.
Abzan for we ye lawyer Savia Kuji na ye ne na kwa kudin komo no. Ghana lawyer fo nyina ku batan Ghana Bar Association no wono ena eye kasamafo adema wu no.
Nyankropo ya domo November bosom de toso enan ena NPP amanyoko no won mayese wo se wode to aba na wayi Frankatuni a obakwa akogina fempem yenu ane aduoni na abato Mike na ye beto ni mu enam so amayiro Kennedy wo hene Japan na chitafo bi ye wo ewutu senya East abato mpeso so de aba kirasa bia airport a amanyoko ne panyimfo yesi ho se eho na won mkwakwato aba no ya de hwehwe wo maso pa won mo kire mu se won mate se eye akwala school park ya eno no ya bia ya nyamienum no kwasem ni won menteme wase penche kakra tasi titiro ne birebre potia ya to aba enti se kwaba no sa no a ebe ha adwene afi won ma wonu sa sempanyimfo ne bi na ekoyi ho se wona chenchene twan chinchinchirinti yankwankwato aba no ho na won ma wonu sa se ebe kodia ma obi ewa amanyoko ne mu nti won de anya de a won bojo so se ebe kone sa wa abra chitafo no kasa no Sompa kase ya twi bi sei eno mo kan won senfai.
States it clear that even though it has given its mandatory works to the Electoral Commission to select a place, from the guidelines that was given to the presidential candidates was that the Electoral Commission is supposed to select a place, but it should be in consultation with the stakeholders. We, the ASEC for Ken in Kaswa, we have not been consulted. We only heard previously from our constituency secretary, Mike Laddy. I want to make it clear. Going around and telling people that he's assuring them that the election will be held at Akule and they know what they will do.
That is true. Yes.
Fair enough, and truly, it has come to pass. That is where the name proper, that the Akule Park is where they want us to vote.
I was your way a year Kennedy or Hene a Japan a chitaphobia. I wore a wood to senior East about 1 person yet to say, one more so say.
Yet was so na ya de Marco Sikasemona, or so far, always see Sikasemon and to chess with Rakano Friata, and I entity about to happen so say, or Natsana Yano, and Yatsana Shagani, you carry your homes and some, and a cuckoo board and petting for Kabumwa, one more Equacubiatsana ye, or a cuckoo board, one more say Bayo, na Omusika some, and ne Omujedi homes and some, a bit me a conkai. Not dinging I and she say, ya, IMF mpanimfo de ama Ghana ban se mpempi no ano cocoa board mpanimfo sikadie ene omudwadie ho nsensem no eya nan hyedan koye eka ede ebeto oman no so nya asem ketoa eno na ama ho akwa hia se finance ministry no atene ehwe sikasam no ntoto yeso ene atena ye ehwe kuayo ene cocoa board atena ye no eka bom ko bia atena ya ye de akrachefo mo onimde esikasam wo bekọ akotena no mo no mo de omani ede omusikasam achi se beyo na nkoba se bia omo budget num ene sika ebe wide ama wurum no omo ekwa kodi ama na tra so ama ben asa akokope bosi afoforo ede ama mo de akwa kotutu kuku na nam so mo so afọ be de ekira Ghana yekua yo hun sensem so yewura yaw from pon adu gunde e de atugase we no enko ha dwene bia na be boa cocoa board for kra mo musika sem agina yedi ama wonum
tedi esisa cocoa board edito cocoa dia normally no abai wo mu dia but most of the time the cocoa board no nanka so mo gina mo na so ye mo niema enti sana ministry no ne minister of food and agriculture and minister of trade omuna cocoa sem bia o Ghana he bia no efeso safedia ye kwakope kadia beto kokoa mo management no de plan eba na board no abugo no ya share go send here koko do send ya project say afi beto na ya pe omo ye interested e wo koko yi mu no na time bia so koko de efi be ne bu fi wa akra kofo ni ji koko ho pa wo e wa amano na ti na financial institutions a omo person mbebwana ya to koko no e do so pa
Abzanfonti weye aye manso adubia mrase bedwani a osaso ye Ghana ye so afọ be di ekira ohwekwa yo ho nsensem ye rayal from pon adoa dodo na sarma ne se ogunde na yete ne nken
ansam chofo shamudie bi akoso ya ne nyina da efa bibi mai kwan ye fa so ye to aba sa ye benya asomdue bambo ani ahodaso na ne pabirmu fa kunkyena se emama se asomdue ya bibi mai ye wono ehu enam so ama national security minister ora Albert Kandapa wode atodwa ekira se nyame anim no kwasem nie empanyefo ka sem bi se okoto se oyonko abodwe se hia we kura nya se bia wo se nso de ode na sincha na sempo wode nso si wode ne nche ne mo fa wode no num sanse anhwa na efiri no so na ba bete ade adware wo na wo ka de akwa akosi se ne social media wodo ya aba ensamtwerefo aba enei nipa dodo no ansem a wono ka no nyina da ya akoye sa abantuguo na wono ebo ho dawuru wo kyerɛ sa no ma no wakoso no enya kora na ye hwemu abantuguo nyade a ɛwo sanka bibi ma kora so sanse wo hwɛ bibi ma wodo bi ya abantuguo de aye wono man no pa no a enu kwa so ma Ghana ye kakora mpora etimi so ema no eyeji wa abro panyi pen semtrofo hyemudie na se wakasa no sei eno kanen fai.
Certain individuals in academia, civil society and the media, you must have observed, have been propagating false narratives in support of a coup or military rule. These actors have gained substantial followings on social media, leveraging their influence to disseminate misinformation that threaten our nation's peace and also stability, especially as we approach the critical December 2024 general elections. This is a matter of serious concern and must not only be a matter of concern to the security operatives, but I think to all of us in the country.
Abusia Yura Kandapa National Security Minister na yatene nkase wo kyeremwo no na asamiti yakwa mano so ne ne panyimpa ba na bambo mu a wabene mu oro Richard Kumado akwakodi ho enkomo obanye kase mu adwo Sompa TV sini
Minyame Joseph
na ho yade
Mpata
yede nyame ase ayabo puruma numre ya ayaboko sasia no National Security Minister akyeremu se enai no aman na kwakwa se social media so ana ku ho nsensem ehɔ ne ye ton no na oman Ghana ane abima kasa no yen se da nyina yie wasade ne ho wose so na sem ya wokan ye fa ne bambo mu mona mabene mu asem mu yi ano sei.
Oh no, there's too much confusion asem na okaye any line of communication any context na the kasaye no eti mami can say ma take me time na the okaye ni so ma tieni pa and I look at the context me feel say the okano enye misinformation or person or che because criticism of government is different from misinformation. People speaking their perspective on issues such as who frame Mrs. They are different from misinformation. Or you see the word misinformation, particularly it's about the issue of coup d'etat. Number one. Number two, meaning as about social media. There were two institutions were Ghana High, Minister of National Security. I say one of them, Federal Security Governance Institute. One of them, cyber security. Then again, we have the National Cyber Security Authority in the office of the president. Among them, there are two. One is to ensure that your cyber security space near clean. And they work so hard, they say, whatever comes into our cyber security space, they have control over it. So how would Mr. Kandapa, my uncle Kandapa, then say social media has become a problem? I think he said national security is struggling, and this is their struggle. They are struggling to have control over the mass media landscape and the effect it has on national security. It is when they put it that way, then we can make some logical analysis or whatever they want to say. That mass media communication and its effects on national security dynamics can be negative and it can be positive. Then we can look at it. But when they jungle it and say misinformation and social media, no. They are confusing the issues. Anything I'm for be brave, for say. I don't know what can
now, we because when you say be a dear what here and dear one winter man a cassas and say no, a baby mamma would do on more cool. I'm a one more baby, a one more pay. And when you say beer, what to be an answer who be, and I'm an a cassay.
Definitely, but the way you said it, social media, I just told you, you have the National Cyber Security Authority in the office of the president. So when you cannot do your work and you have become lazy or you are ignorant of the work they give you, why do you blame some other people? We have another institution called Security Governance Institute. One of the things is cyber security. Many of you don't know about that institute. I'm just mentioning the name to you. And they control the social media space. The likes of Richard Kumado, even my laptop, national security people came and mess it up. They follow us every day, whatever we do, our phone, our hand, everything. What again do they want? If you have negligence or lackadaisical in doing your work, say it that way. But don't go and say academia is misinforming the people. Which academia?
Our penny, they will see name tell. I was some year working you know, not just a where no Yabakan is a woman who am you money yet and no more Bob were doing near Damebois.
No, I don't want to speak for them, but what I'm saying is when you say misinformation, misinformation, because misinformation is different from a CEO and as a corporate social organization criticizing government, and then you different things. Misinformation is different from what people are saying on social media, and you have control over the social media space in Ghana. Misinformation is different from when a professional, an academia, professor, one friend say, what do you think of ABCD? And they are different. Because they say any academia has published any article in that regard, apart from say moving from some resource persons. No. So say it properly. Other than that, there's too much confusion in this country. I don't know what to say again.
Thank
you.
So what I say, I was away Richard Kumadon your turning canon. About a bumbo or Benimu Pan on a Sonajon or Diamay.
Yeah, Twasona, Asem Kroya, one young Monosonian, Dr. Jerry Joe Harrison and Kode Nkomo Oko University of Ghana University Teachers Association of Ghana eja ekonefa war University of Ghana Legono wono ene ye twetwe for penny ede ema won me ne Nkode Nkomo emfasa asem kroya National Security Minister Editu Dwano say omuhunu say civil society organizations be yen semtwefo binom ene academia achechirefo so omo eyesuapon chese nimdefo no omo ehye nipa bi kutupa sa so munkotu aban tungu yate se omo enye ho doc enwumre yamo adwo. Yeah, munya. Majima di se ho ye doctor.
Yeah,
Majima di se ho ye doctor.
munya. Yeah, 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 munya.
Eradi adom ye so ye ho ye pa na enkoma ye die efa national security minister na nsem bi ode ababatu dwa se mo academia no ase mo boa pa epiepie nipa bi atiko se ase wo mo enyeku entu aban ntungu ode nsamtwefo ka ho de eye civil society organizations bi eka ho ya te se mo se mo ni nye papa ne nsem a o kan ye ne ho ye bisa se mo sempa ne sei
me does mean I'm say and one work on can make the memory what's the word I'm so much the margin. Margin, you know, Ibia and you what you know, Uncle Benkrum, I know it's you, me bonnie. See, a choir offer so I cut the Yenny war to upon at the same chair, you know, and some I can be a shank focus to pass in to a benguno. And you know, correct now. Me, I want you to say, open case to say, you are Abacandapa. I don't stand over can't assemble Tano. Not just why you pay some pension, no, he said. I know this a coso. So, me, Jimmy said, Ubia or who coins or chair again. Start buying any gym and after buying any new one. Ubia or who coin, and not your friend to them table. And no one can, he said, I buy any new one here. Wama okasano na if you say ya mane toaso a o tse bi no be na obi e che na den afase bi ho na ennam say eni aban e de no enko benkrom nti no be na ye to hye so aboro no asa tse na no ye si o YouTube nti ye kan say openikase aso o kan de wan kan ye fa kwam nti ya enka ba ya twa no san
na doc mo de so a se won tweda no nsan na se bia se ono so ye na adwene se de waka no waka won fini e mo ka mo be ye denie
de se yes utu amane fo na utu okra fo na utu wono so ya da ho so nti se ensem na me kan so o kan no wan kan wa sa ye nim se o mo de ma tutu akwan mu a wo de be di djuma na sɛ wɔyi ho akyerɛ yɛn yɛso yɛbie yɛ han ni yɛhwɛ deɛ aban ɛbɛyɛ sɛ aban ɛyɛ sɛ ɔbɛka yɛ kasaboa akyerɛ yɛn a ɛne yɛsɛ yɛbɛte sɛ nkasukɔkɔ akyerɛ no na sɛ sia deɛ ɛyɛ kɔkɔbɔ ɛne yɛde ma aban panyin sɛ deɛ ɔka deɛ nyɛ ne kwan so a no sɛ wo ne obi nya adeɛ no nkyerɛ sɛ deɛ ɔka no ɔnkoto abangu sɛ ɔmo nim sɛ obi nso share nkrofo kutupa se kutu abangu a segidi se Ghana mmara no emma ne kwan se yetimi ti se nipa no na ino mu di se de mmara no sike ebi se ya tete fa ye wo suapom yamfo efesen kuzo ye wo hwe abra na ye Rollins ete so PNDC breso a ye ku bi ti ma kotin fa ni ma Ghana for the democracy abai inji ye ntimi nkoba se ye nia ye force ya ma ye democracy bai no yes I question for kutupa say yes and kutupa by nangu me giri say ano de enye no kra nyemom kam ya say bimu ade nkyere no ena ni aban de enko benkrom nti no ama akofa saa tankluwai aba na no so de kamem ka bi no saa na tie obi atimi kyere na de nti so wo kyere waden o mmara kwan so a woni abone ya anya ne saa ya kamem ka bi na indim nti na ya ka ya bo nkokọ say umunyai some cancer no demo sa inaso bi ho pa say nipa bi plan say obi to aban agoa umomodin a wo na security minister tumi na ahye wonsa say wutimi atisa nkofo no na do mfa amara kan so resiti
ok me na wase ene wadaje a wanya ma yanwumere bibia ni so a ye besa so abopne mu bio nyame nhyira o yo observe nti we aye Dr. Jerry Joe Harrison and yene no akwakode enkomo no University Teachers Association of Ghana kuno ne fa our University of Ghana Legon no wono ane ye church for penny eda woduma no
21st clinic in yeda sciatica expert ane one momra ne abusua sciatica yade no wo ma bene mu pa so obehwe no wode ho dwuma ade ama wo kuma so wo share overseas junction wo ben Alpha Radio radio so fa no se wo to asentini atwetwen wo ede ba onamro mu na busua no na brafo kasa mu ya kana sa sciatica okwa won mo ba hwe wo kama pa ayere so na wotwe miensa eka kwa ne boso so no wasan so atia sikinkim obo so kanso quarters quad junction and crandome market so nyon nkranza ne tachiman for 0249 311311 and 0540 311311 Mizo and a 5G drink and only other paramana say Shannon sana watch ye anya daya yebakwa ye bakwa ifushia party a hot run yebakwa sie yan fa Mizo and a 5G drink and serve a wate when a mupi kama hoden so wom Shannon so kwa 21st clinic I show overseas obanyana do woman what to be kind supermarket sister sewa wano manye Mama Esther Ewo University Buakwa Baptist University honomwa and afi PNC Ventures and so Ewa no manye taxi station for your home 0246 270221 0246 270221 3 Herbal Center what the 3 Aqua capsules aba a cocoa masata duro pa etumi cocoa enwachi no ma osisi ne moya den enya hoden ayamutumi ya baba jawo so ne nyina da bakwa ma hoto enje se nro nkaye ya wi a na abusua efa oyambu no we de no de da sonko kra na hyene so okokwa na ke badan heba Mr. Heba epidanka won sabeka bi ya wo man ya 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 ya jina wesu ya tonkrato ya besaba
21st clinic a sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji se 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's the 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Honorable members, order. Mr. President, on my morning in our ATL.
Run.
Meda wunyina ase sem hui mo president de adra paroni ba emra ode esra me ho na Matias Kinkin asemi atoma komako se Ghana ni bia emeke sure se ni sabeka adra efra na paroni ba me bi e woni fie na ebeboa se yawo osisi na yawo ya ho na ba bia yawo ya bia o de kan ebeko yani finance minister ebekasa na oman budget yayimu 10 billion Ghana cedis ade aboa adwumakuo a eyesa adwoi na nante ne mabawa oni adwuma yenso so enya bia ye paroni bam yesisiade ne honam ya adro son konkora Ike Pharmaceuticals Limited diaba
FD aje adwede nkra troyi atum
wo medi ho ya pa o na namre mu sa wo mfa wo a enye Tabita clinic na wokọ
me de heba de min ko biemu ya kwa abre wo bekwa wo hu hwe
ejadunya abotre na Tabita de omo da soronko
nti masichire ya de yi obetimi ahwe me mema sem so kofam o medwunso so a meti yawo na sene machika sai tutume na me nan so ayetitriti ebetimi aye sunsumu ya de o
ya sure
medwunso tentem na ma me gidi se me prostate ho atochima na meti sene ne fanisi dwame na mani achi woso mi stroke cross one shot stroke den hu bajim
ka wakoma to yem Tabita ene wo last stop omo na akwadare wo diabetes ene prostate yade ho
na omo kira kwan wen
Tabita e wo kumase sofolai woni alignment ene di animhwe e wo sofolai ene patase kwantempon so enkran so owo Medina Firestone Footbridge wa afei owo takwa ena takrade telephone 0260 1962 19 0260 1962 19
ene Tabita
ya pomodinie
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
I was your friend, but I must say, so much about your young mayor, by twa and some no so. Now, my Ghana, you know, Bob by sir, or mine, to no, you bet me a house, you and that change to met me about to so. Now, I was some say, and they will call Sunyane, Mensino, Emua. Ne parodon one, I'm quite show a bunya pa. And I'm sorry, so ama, and a forestry commission, ya one more Sunyane, Panipa, ya one or ya district manager, Adema forestry commissioner, a war year, or Francis Broby. Wane Sompa kasia di nkomo ya watchra sa ene no wokọ sunyane a require bretu obasa nso ya won mo jato wonom no nyame no kwasem ni sana na tabiase bia ye no ayare hosem
ne di etwa ne do okpe etimi hwe the whole reserve ya so ene ye woti wo be enan enso mutimi ye yo se hu ne se no eni ba dwe ni suya no asa akra aswani ados me no ka say wo ha no nya ko FM every atronie every comment every suta amafo bu mu pai amafo bu su yese otia na ho ha poya na me no ka say kabra o ba su efra so say ya wo ya mo enso me no ka say ni na yesre oko te 1 te 2 yaya so nsemre ni na yesre samre egusu ni dia kakaka be eti wodia fa mo no mre dan ka ni yakwa diaka eyesu ka say amama so eno so ba bi say na yakaka bia ebo esu no
Sunyane District Forest Manager Ora Francis Brobeni atese wo cheche mokwabetuo ye na nipa pinua esenu.
Ya twaso na ye de mo akonkra pumpene mantem abusuafo ye ntete ya ababetu ya pono so chese na this year ewo Accra Pole Samsam ene ne mpote mo no a ewo ga West abaton pesu so wo Accra pumpene mantem Matias Montene so aye ye kire adaya wo mso wo makwan nyina enye nti ama o masetena e mpote mo no aye dendi ama wo no pa adehye ne nsemo a wo mo eretu ye ne mo kakra ni
ye kra ba I say deep erosions no ne iso no to apopo no so iso no free top ba no anu ye ti enti say anye quota na say koye say dia e be hadwen because iso no free popo no so sansam popo no so ba no anu ye ti e wash e sabe wash we ni nyina enti e be srem say anka be ya I think say quota no na nya gravel so anu ye din e de be failure e be ma kwan no astame fema anka I think say no be better
consider more idea in fact because in favor so nyina betutu so to so far the guy say can no crane say kwa pa big trucks so nyina so ntama kan kwa ni be asa kra ndika yemu a say kan mo de mbeboa yen maka yetima gusuko tan na say mo ma abo tai bonnet to concrete no cement no mo be guso
Abs your phone to way this year ni binomon yeti woman can no chiro penny Samuel achu forces so yobia yeso ye dwadene on potem hono na ono so kasa kakra e de forma kwan ni se ni sitie e wo pom hono mo de kire ye
kwan we if some junction ha ko
sansa mempem wansem otamina gonse osudompe any Accra Technical University for campus or na ohwa se the quantity na e kwan na very damaged I say kwan na teacher pansakra na apemfo a wa ha school fo a mo ha ayarefo a so mo traka mu koba enya kamfo nkomba moto nso nko
Observe nti wey ayo penny Samuel Achu for senior in kano oko samsam ene ne mpotemu ga West Abaton peso so enkrapompere mantemu a yesi oyedwadini wo ho
ye kwa Toyota video mantemu ne yetete akyeresa brante kwa bia ye fa no se Kofi Mensa nyamfinhia na duonu num na obinim de aba no so watwe se kan to ne minimu atwa se ten ade afiri ho abrawana na kwabena tawia tikese wonna wo hono mu a woto yenkrai abrawa majoy
amejo so menia
boyemu e ba no sai
menia me da so na internet for eti ana afia refonso se de motene sa pepepe anopai ebre bom nsia ana aye ablantia yesu fe oye skabeto pete yesu se odwa de sekan atwa ne mene ana atwa ne kon atwa na nanamo nsia do ba ne sa ne wo se ensemtrefo ye tene sa ide mika eba nan ekoho ampa kopiem ho a na chese se de ye tene sa pepepe ene etimi asie Kofi Mensen wotime de sekan atwa ono an kon da mogem eti edu ope ene abusafo epe eye ka adi ebe tene epa sekan hospital na yenya botre eduedu no twehwe na chese Kofi Mensen anata be se nsia abusafo ko na ni enti omukọ de kubie na chese ka kubie man no one this kind of trying to say damu jam no enti abusafo ebu sabobo yem ebe no ko ntia eben ye fese wa se da na mje ko pie da pa no ana mo ye se ni ba kwa ye se abanti wo ntu mo san kwa no kwa chi emla wasa na ho na mo hwe e yi ho tse ye obi nba to dem a mo so bo ni yim se pe na dan ko pa the friend say ame ni ba dem was say na dan ko no bi no ba kwa ka tia aye no na eno ana blank ana Kofi Mensen so ne sakata ta kan ada famina ko asa ko pepo dante kwa dey ebe ka che bi so ko ko so na de wo nti de me fa ka de e san san
atigase
aminia
wada ma aha afede wa homa ne ye ne emu twitwa sisa to so na
yo enam say na ka me no na dan ko pa no twa ka ke ka bi shafo anye enti enam so e ma ni pie e ko pia omu sisi omu ka bi wo e ko de ko to mo ni se pa to we die madam ko na ko na me hwese de wo nya de a abanti wo enti de me krema mo de an se ye peka ye de matu na ye na ko hospital ampa o kan ye no ade apanin so e de se yo be pa do be for ya chewa ma na ye den eje etu na enna mo de abanti de di hospital na se pe ade a wadi fa afa na na mo se da de mi pa sai die abranti efin Kofi Mensen no mu no ewo wa pesa de hospital mo hwe ade property a eto no sa ampa se ampa no an de to no fon wiye ana ko bi abon ko bi e ba gene Kofi Mensen ne kwame ban ko no ko dem ho no ye ko twetwe ko ba se ko me na tete o susu se
abusiamo franchise abrwana na homa no nimu aye we aye abrwana na kwabna tawie tikese atoya tefido mantamu enenkre no difu
abusiafo igusuwa de mojina atoye etifu mantem ne mo na ye tetese abamu abi a wadi mfie be aduasa nsia 36 years abusiafo wakwakoto aberewa bi mo na ewo eyesehwiyo so a amanfo dwene ho a wono entiase ye nua obrempon Kwame yeboa na buzianfo asemi wode nani kotwe wisi anominate asantemo edi akiri ewo empotemo no buzianfo ye kwa omano so na ye kwa be yeboa edi munchiemu edi ama ye kwa si efa so a abremu ano eto abrewa no mona no omuyemu amane Kwame ye majoy na ekoba ne sey a abrantie abrewa de wokoto no na ade asemu edi asem
Libya baga we de mama pa kwaye oso enchia Sompa hwefo ene atiefo nyina enra mu te bia ye titri eye tehwi ehwan no watewi so mantini kasie mu wato ye atifi emantamani se abrante bia ye fa ne kaya wadi mfisha no aduasan so me 37 good years one ne mama a nso ne dinde mama amakaya ɔno nso adi mfehyia no aduonum ɛna mekyerɛ 54 good years na ayɛ aberanteɛ yi ɔdɛɛdɛ ne maame a yɛfrɛ no amaka yɛ ɛwɔ no ankasa ne dɛm a wato ne mɔna fofonam na maame no akyerɛ mu kyerɛ yɛn sɛ ɛyɛ aberanteɛ ka kyerɛ ne sɛ tɛmbia no ɔka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔbɛto ne mɔna na maame no fɛ sɛ ne ba no adidi agorɔ nti ɛno a obia ɛni fie no ɛna aberanteɛ ɛtumi tu hyɛ ne maame so a wayɛ ne fomfom sɛ mekasa deɛ ɔmo de asɛm no akɔ akɔpie mu ɛwɔ sɛhweyɛ so police commander a mohwɛ saa aberanteɛ yi na mene ɛyɛ unit committee chairman na aberanteɛ ɔbaa bɛpere a yɛfrɛ no obiara bɛdidi ɛne di nkɔmmɔ ɛna bibisa ne sɛ ɛyɛ kayɛ ɔyɛ sandman ɔse o kaya yɛ sandman a 2016 kura bato na ɛkɔɔ so no ɔto bi na onim ade kuro nti a ɛyɛ aberanteɛ yi atumi adi saa anyamana so no ɛnam so ɛma ne nua ɔmowɔ sɛhwi ahwaa ɛtumi agye berɛ ɛpɛ berɛ ɛtumi ɛhyɛ ɛyɛ aberanteɛ fɛ ne kaya nneɛma nyinaa sɛ mepɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmo mpɛ sɛ ɔbɛhu kaya anim nti sɛhwima nyinaa nso yɛdi yɛn afahyɛ mɛkyɛ ewie festival ɛnam so ɛma nana kofi nko a ɔtɔ so mmienu ɔno ɛna yɛ sɛhwi ahwaa hene ɔno kura yi nso yɛ yanto ahene ɛde ma sɛhwi yɛ ɔso nananom asere nkonya ɛka sɛ ɛka sɛ afahyɛ no ɛkɔ so asɛm odibu hɔ na mmom yɛdi afahyɛ no wie a ɔno bɛgye berɛ na wapɛ berɛ na wɔyɛ amanneɛ ne amammerɛ na deɛ nti a aberanteɛ di saa nyamberɛsɛ mu yi ɔmatumi apa no na ɔmakye no ba sɛ meka sɛ deɛ aberanteɛ atu pia afa gyan a yɛhu no baabia nti dɛbi abɔga wei na akɔ so ɔyɛ ɔsoma nsire kɛseɛ mu ɛwɔ atɔyɛ atifi ɛma ntamu
nti kwame aberanteɛ no sɛbesɛbe mprɛduasa wadi ne maame
saa pɛpɛɛpɛ
awurade ɛna asɛ wɔ mɔɔdam
ɔmɔɔdam ɔsandman ɔmɔɔdam na mɛkyɛberɛ pɛpɛ na ɔmode sudi nkɔmmɔ sɛ aberante ɔyɛ ɔkɔ baabi bi ɔkɔyɛ nyankomadi bi ɔmo sɛ dabi aberante deɛ adwuma a ɔyɛ a ne sɛ ɔyɛ kuani na sɛbi ɔbɛtu kwan kɔ ne sɛ wiɔ so ɔtu kwan ɛma ne mo sɛ wiɔ so da nti ɔmuma de kɔti aberante atumi asa nyanyamerasɛ mu
yo kwame wo deɛ sɛ wo so wɔadwane me boa
kyɛ sɛ deɛ wɔdwane
na ne maame no wɔ he
as I'm talking now deɛ yɛde ne kɔpie mu ɛwɔ sɛhwi yɛ so hospital sɛ meka sɛ deɛ ɔma de charge ne sɛ maame ɛwɔ fie
kwame deɛ kyerɛ bibia ne yɛbɛsa aba why yɛda se yɛnnua ɔbrempɔn kwame yɛboa ne yɛakɔ ne nkyɛn ɛwɔ sɛhwiyɛ ɔso no ne mpɔta mu aberante a sɛbesɛbe mprɛduasa wafa no maame ɛna wabɔ yɛ mu amanneɛ no
Aika Herbal Clinic nie ɛyaresa fie paa wɔadwo so Zongo Junction hyɛ no sɛ wɔn kasa no na ato afom ho anaasɛ mpo wɔakyi brɛ mu ayɛ wo gya wo kɔn ne twetwew ɛwɔ mu asɛ biribi hono nkɔ Aika na wɔn mo ɛnhwɛw wɔde paro ne ba mu aba sisi adeɛ wapɔso tena se kyɛ wɔgyina wɔn mo ama wɔsisi ne yɛ asene a paro ne ba mba boa wɔde twitwi ya ne nyina da bɛkɔ paa hapatin so wɔ hɔ bistim system na kutia high blood pressure ahodoɔ yɛ pɛsɛ ba so ne ade nyina da ɛbusua frɛ 0530 721165 0530 721165 Universal Natural Clinic so enie yɛsɛ yadeɛ bia yɛ ada na so kwankro ɛwɔgye ho ba bia enye ama abrabɔ no hunu ho ano bra Universal Natural Clinic wate na wɔn mo ɛnhwɛw wɔpɔso na yɛ wɔya wɔn mpem twetwe siatica yadeɛ ɛna ɛhawa bra wɔn bɛdi ho dwuma atonso S line wɔn mo bɛnbɔ nsuom 0556 224 102 and 0200 158 272 Express Group yɛde wo to fa wo kɔ Canada USA UK ɛne deɛ kaka ho yɛsɛ wo de abres ka kuma bi na wo betua wo kuma se yɛ wa safo labor runabout ɛna krankana hyi first light hɔ mo atama community 18 wo behu yɛn ɛbusua so oboso kɔ sua de na sempo kɔ yɛ adwuma opɛ visa assistant ana wo visa no na apɛsɛ yɛ boa wo ma wo nsa ɛka ticket na na sempo kɔ tɔ holidays ahodoɔ bi na akɔ dia Express Group yɛbɛbɔ pa for your 0249 000448 0249 000448 and 0555 550 067.
for ye begyina we so na anwumre nsɛm a yɛboaboa no de bɛsom no yɛde mo si ha na yɛsɔre ama ɛyɛ kofori ne na pamfo aba besom atoa so yɛne yɛsom anwumre na na yɛboa ma libia boga anwumre mene
Akosia ejewa kwade boatia fenka baka kra wo hono mabusua madoro maye fanto so tew na asempeni pa emra sompa chade hye so se nyame ya dom asane afra seye no afre so ye be na sa nyame ya dom wa December bosome no ne de to so aduano ba ko 21st December ena abusua sompa chade ne ye beche amakono fo nwisia ne nyanka wormonsa akabie eno nti sane abusua na no da ye no we so ye ne sa se ye sika na wo ana sempo ntoma emo entadem paboa de wo bia yese de wo don sam no de mo ya bayan sam sam so fa de bre ne franka wo bi ne nyebefo a eda ne du so ayetumi de ache na mo mada wo mo nhyade so se kunafo no nyame ya dom wa November bosom de di kan na se bosom ye ba besimo no ene ye be hyase atworo din owo sompa wo nkranza wado makọ sompa nkranza GBC ba building ne hono mo a afei sompa sunyana so sunyana night market hono mo na abetimi akọtworo wudin sompa kumasen so de so ame no hotel na ntwa so hono mo na ebusua yeso ye wo se ayesika na apeso de to so de maya ene de no obo kwa so ya wo ma no ya 0598 559802 0598 559802 Edinya beba ne ye One Media entinya saadi na yesere wo amensende 3 equal capsules nie eye 3 herbal center wo mo na dia ba kokko maseta duro etumi sisi yade kokko anafe ayamutim we no emema wo nrane bia nie we betumi anom de aye adwuma da mu ne nyina da enka na mmom okosen sonso a wo betumi achia na nanom ma ho ato kona ka ba da ne herbal mistie ba epidank on sabeka bi free homa no 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 na 3 herbal center kroya wode 3 balm ediaba na weno yade no brane ha ma na keka bomuo sisi yade waposo spinal cord no ne motwetwew anasempo na sia tata wutita power eye 3A balm eno no hia pharmacy ahodo mo kwa won sabeka bi herbal shops bisa na sakoda ne herbal mistie ba epidank kwana keba won sabeka bi 0546 107 107 won sabeka bi na wato na 3A ointment eno so ewo ho pa enkoda no abusua ebo mo pampese chere wo aya na ansa kokon bi na begugu won moto ho panyufo na ta frɛ ntumu ko we de nanan manimu a madaro mo mu hia 3A ointment na ode asrasra so ebekokora ya emabiem eno achi no won sa rashes bia ba begu pimples ena hawo wonamani sansa apropra na ni nyina ta ya 3A ointment ana ade bedi dwuma no esa matrenwi fu pa eno achi no abusua ya so de fa yo nku na fasra wodi ana basanso atoso okwa heba shops ahodo mu awon sabaka bi 0546107107 0546 107 yade obo heba and medical research center ediaba na ya say wuti na pawo wo betitimi pa no anu oje ho ba bia anye eno achi no akoma na timi bo prim high blood pressure anasempo ho no na ni subrie na ya chi woni so na ebri wusai a oje ho ba bia anye anasempo abusua wakoma no na hawo ni nyina ta aye obo heba and medical research center won mo chana wo so kwa hepatitis ana esichire yade wo pa wo na musaya de okwete bi typhoid yade kidney anasa osa ye ready hu dwuma ye wadroto adumanu last stop on mo so for mama kenke sala won ye ne di enhwani mu ya wo mane ne nemu so no se ye adwuma fiti dwada kopem memenda anopa no so kopem enmre no no pa mu so 0257 472506 0257 472506 and 0249 761508 na chocolate luxury and sunie azeri ya abrochira bagano ya chira okwan ya befa so wotena Ghana ha ye ho na China mamu wo odanioma afri China amana bagana wontu nan every hanko ho na momote ya wo fun ye kita wo ya so na oda enioma no na afri China mamu abade ohia ye omomo no ano no asende na kopasho wodam na shano say chocolate luxury panyfo ba be chiro nyame ya dom a eba so 28th and 27th October bosu ye wom ye na wie no ne beba anopa no ndu kopem awia no mienu aye hye no so engineering guest house ye work university tech ehonum ne beba so na mpanyefo je adwa na won ma kire sa no ma we nyina kwan abafa so obaye no ticket no aye 500 Ghana cedis pe wi a obenya certificate yabasa so ma wo snacks ahodo ne drinks na wanom fra ye won ti be bia sia na so penchemu apromedi so aye 0535 017821 0535 017821 and 0508 931 230. I was sorry, General, so you had AC. Yes, sir, so I could your first word by my one abedra form, but also as some pretty page, editor summer.